Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. PSA: This isn't a recipe, nor a tutorial on artisanal bread making. What you're about to watch is a personal account of how something as simple as kneading dough has become my lifeline during a really dark time. Just when I thought I was taking a leap of faith, life threw me a curveball. I was all set to trade in my 9-to-5 for a backpack and a student ID in Australia, ready to start a new chapter. But in an instant, my visa was rejected and my world was turned upside down. I had to pack up my dreams and move back in with my parents, leaving behind my husband and the life we were building together. It's been a tough pill to swallow, and some days it feels like I'm drowning in uncertainty. But as I navigate this uncharted territory, I found solace in the simple things. I used to think that big, grand gestures were the key to happiness, but now I realize that it's the small, everyday moments that can be the most transformative. I'm focusing on baking bread, one loaf at a time. It's become my therapy, my sanctuary. As I knead the dough, I feel my worries slowly unravel. With each rise and fall, I'm reminded that some things are beyond my control, but my response to them isn't. I'm choosing to channel my energy into the present, to nurture my heart and soul, one loaf of bread at a time. It's not easy, and some days are harder than others. But I'm learning to be kind to myself, to acknowledge that it's okay to not be okay. I'm taking it one step at a time, one loaf at a time, and trusting that with each passing day, I'll find my way again.